Hope he keeps on talking.
Hey, bud. No, look over here.
And he can't fly anywhere because his feathers are trimmed.
Oh, he can't? So
Yeah.
does he belong here?
I'm assuming so.
Hello.
Just
Hi.
look.
Hello.
Beautiful tail feathers.
Yeah. I want to get a close-up of you, can I? Yeah.
You should pet the bird.
Maybe a nice bird?
No.
No, he's not a nice bird.
Careful. Parrots can do some pretty... Aw, that's a cute picture. Let me get a video of you.
Dude, I'm getting the video right now, too.
Hi. You belong here? Really? Oh, you're going to ruffle. Whoa. Okay. I'll keep my distance.